Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing the Happy Farmer on Viola tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters tool below and skip ahead. Happy Farmer, very similar to Minuet 2 in that we have to walk our fingers across the fingerboard, and we have a lot of string crossings with the bow, so be efficient, don't flap your arms around unnecessarily. We have two big sections in this song, an A and a B, with a slight A1 variant. Don't worry about it, we'll get into that. Here's the A section. Mind that ending, 2, 1, G. Now here's the B section, a lot shorter and smoother. A1, mind the ending. D, 2, 3, versus A by itself, 2, 1, G, A1, D, 2, 3, just the ending is a little different. Now, technically we have some things going on with this song, with the bow. So we have hooked bowings, dotted rhythms, so it's down, down, up, down, up, up. If you want to, some people find it helpful to practice this opening without any fingers, just using the correct strings. So, I'm not going to put them down, so I'll show you. You get it? So I'm just using the correct strings, but not the fingers. And so I'm just sort of coordinating that bow. If you have trouble, always take your left and your right hands apart. If you don't have trouble, you do you, congratulations. Time for the playthrough. So we have allegro gicoso as the marking, so that means jokingly or humorous. Not too slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Check in with me. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.